Removing the thermostat faceplate is a quick, non-invasive test that helps pinpoint whether a blower problem originates in the thermostat or elsewhere in the system. When you remove the faceplate and the fan stops, that indicates the thermostat is interrupting power to the furnace blower and is likely the source of the fault. If the fan continues to run with the faceplate off the wall, the control signal is being provided directly at the wall wiring or at the control board, so the issue is downstream from the thermostat. Start by cutting power at the furnace switch or circuit breaker before touching any wiring to avoid shock or damage. If you need to test wiring continuity, use a multimeter set to measure voltage and verify there is no voltage present before proceeding to resistance checks. For non-technical homeowners, a simple continuity test can be done by turning off power, disconnecting the thermostat wires, and temporarily connecting the fan control conductor to the heating coil conductor to see if the blower runs. If it does, the thermostat was not sending a signal. Always restore connections exactly as found and turn power back on only after panels are replaced and screws are secure. The most common mistake is failing to cut power first, which risks injury and can fry control electronics. So always shut off the furnace power at the breaker or switch before removing the faceplate and touching wires. Another frequent issue is misidentifying wire function, because many older systems use similar colors for different signals. If unsure, trace the wire to the control board or photograph and label wires before disconnecting. A third common concern is assuming the thermostat is bad after only one brief test. If the fan behavior is intermittent, repeat the faceplate test multiple times across heating and cooling cycles and check for loose connectors on the furnace control board. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for heating and air jobs and connects contractors with people who need work. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share experiences, troubleshooting tips, and referrals.